Hello, YouTube. Same thing, different day. So we're gonna do some arm wrestling for you. You got James over there. You got me, Terrence. We're gonna get into it.
Let's get it. We just had a right arm match. So it's left arm now.
You know, I'm trying, man, but he's got his tricks, man. Don't think he's stronger than me, because he's not. He just got his tricks. This left arm, though, it might be a different story.
It's arm wrestling.
You know, car accidents are bad for you. Don't ever do it.
He's pulling. Slipping.
Yeah, 'cause you're pulling back.
Engage the wrist.
I can't.
Engage the wrist. There you go. He's inside, I'm outside. That's a flop wrist press. This is a top roll. It's a stalemate without a strap.
My hand is yellow.
Okay, regrip. Regrip. Go.
There's nowhere for your arm to go, though.
What if I hop up?
No, I meant like...
Was that an elbow foul?
Yes, but I meant if I go to pin you. Will pin you. Oh, shit.
Hey, the training partners usually kind of equally. Training partners equal each other.
You ever seen
all the
that
time.
video?
They figure out how to pull each other.
So there's a YouTube video.
It's recording. Let's not
I know.
do a side story.
Yeah, but there's a YouTube channel called How Ridiculous.
No. Don't talk about somebody. We can't post that now.
You can't.
I have to edit that out. Hey, look.
They talk about other
You can't
channels
start
all
with
the
me
time.
You can't start with me turned over.
Hey, they talk about channels all the time when I watch your videos.
Okay. Yeah. If you're cool with them, if they like you, all that. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
I'm just saying, there's this YouTube video called, there's a channel called How Ridiculous.
I don't know stuff.
And their thing is Will Pin Ya, because they'll pin your name on Instagram or Twitter or whatever.
Elbow.
No. I'm sliding.
Okay, you're fine. You're fine.
I keep sliding, but it's not helping me. I'm getting irritated at this point. I wish I could just Hulk smash your ass. Why are you so low? Yeah.
Wait, was my elbow up?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. I kept sliding my damn elbow back and forth.
We'll have to watch it. Let me know if my elbow was up on that.
That was a war, though. I gotta admit that. It's a war.
Whew. No rest. How many minutes are we at already?
No rest for the weary.
3 minutes. Let's do 3-minute videos. We'll turn it right back on.
No rest for the wicked boy.